On our regular authentic updates, today we bring you the private medical colleges of Rajasthan. First, we have JNU Institute of Medical Science and Research Center, Jaipur. Total MBBS seat is 250. Management quota fee is 28 lakh per year. General quota fee is 23 lakh per year. This is the one of the highest seat intake in Rajasthan, making it an important option during the counseling rounds for the MBBS aspirants. Now we have the second on the list, NIMS Medical College Jaipur, and the total seat available is 250. Management quota fee is 26 lakh 75,000 and general fee is 19 lakh 50,000. For the student looking for a comparatively lower tuition fee among Jaipur colleges, NIMS become a strong option. Then we have Mahatma Gandhi Medical College, Jaipur. It is very well known and the total seats available is 250. The management fee is 26 lakh 75,000 and the general fee is 19 lakh 50,000. Then we have Gitanjali Institute of Medical Science, Jaipur. Total seat is 250 and the management fee is 30 lakh, general fee is 18 lakh 90,000. The students who are looking for Jaipur based colleges can definitely keep this college as in preference list. Then we have Balbir Singh Tomar Institute of Medical Science. The total seats available is 150 and the management fee is 32 lakh 50,000 and the general fee is 18 lakh 90,000. Although the seat intake is comparatively smaller, it remains an option for students participating in later counseling rounds. Arya Medical College, Jaipur. The total seat is 50, management fee is 30 lakh and the general fee is 18 lakh 90,000. Since the seat intake is limited, competition can be comparatively higher. Then we have Gitanjali Medical College, Udaipur. The total seat is 250 and the management fee is 30 lakh. The general fee is 23 lakh. This college is very well known among Rajasthan private medical colleges. Then we have Pacific Institute of Medical Science, Udaipur. The total seat is 200, the management fee is 35 lakh and the general fee is 25 lakh. One of the premium private medical colleges in Rajasthan. This is a premium college, so please note it. Next we have Pacific Medical College and Hospital, Udaipur. The total seat is 250 and the management fee is 35 lakh. General fee is 25 lakh. And then we have Ananta Medical College, Udaipur. The total seat available is 150. Management fee is 28 lakh and the general fee is 18 lakh 90,000. Student with moderate budget can consider this option. Then we have American International Institute of Medical Science, Udaipur, and the total seats available here is 150. The management fee is 32 lakh and the general fee is 18 lakh 90,000. Then we have Dr. S.S. Tantia Medical College, Srinagar, Ganganagar, and the total seats available here is 150. Management fee is 29 lakh 25,000 and the general fee is 22 lakh 25,000. Then we have Sudha Medical College, Kota, and the total seats available is 150 and the management fee is 28 lakh 20,000 and general fee is 18 lakh 90,000. I would advise all of the students कि अगर आप अपने कॉलेज सिलेक्शन के लिए कुछ पॉइंट्स रेज करते हैं कि ये क्राइटेरिया ये पॉइंट्स होने चाहिए, तो उसमें यू मेक श्योर यू हैव दीज पॉइंट्स बिफोर सिलेक्शन ऑफ योर कॉलेज. दैट इज़ द नीट रैंक, budget, career goals and the overall quality of the institution. Quality of institution में आता है patient inflow, infrastructure, clinical exposure. These all points are very valid for your college selection. If you need personalized counseling for Rajasthan, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, for any other state, our team is there which provide you the personalized counseling, college prediction, choice filling strategy, budget planning, management quota guidance, state counseling, all India counseling, one-to-one mentorship. For that, call College Astoria. Thank you.